this is Jeff Reese and Marty Jaworski coming to you from Modex 2022. We are here to talk to you a little bit about some hurricane cables. Storm season is fastly upon us. In Winar, we have invested in 2,000 sets of 4/0 male and female cams and panel mounts to help offset our storm season this year.
These are for portable power, for generators, for load banks, for lighting solutions, mobile lighting solutions. So, any type of needs you have like that, give us a call, let us know. We can, certainly work with you and make these cables for you.
Don't be caught without cams on hand. So, talk to you soon.